All right, everyone, it's Nick here from Theme Park Today, and we are staying at Port Orleans Riverside in the Alligator Bayou section. And today we are going to do a little room review of our room that we're in. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are inside. Sorry, I had to cut to that. We needed the phone to unlock the door. So this is our room that we're staying in here. Like I said, we are in the Alligator Bayou in the 3600 block. And all right, let's kind of see what we've got going on. The room is pretty spacious. This is pretty fun. 2 beds, quite big. And all right, so here's like a nice little seating area. I like this. I really like the wood details on the table. And then the wood details even go into the mirror. Hello, I love that. So if you didn't know, the Port Orleans resorts have a Tiana Princess and the Frog theme to it. So as you can see here on the headboards, here is like the quintessential Princess and the Frog crown. And so we're gonna find a lot of little details like this in the room, which I really, really love. Love that about this resort. Yeah, and I also love this. Cast member left us a cute little Mickey, adorable. I love that. So if you do choose Port Orleans, you will get these nice 2 full-sized queen beds. They look really spacious. Let's see. Oh, they feel comfy. Oh, look at this. Is that an alarm clock? I've never seen that before. Huh. Well, I've never seen this before. I've also haven't stayed in that many Disney resorts. I've stayed in plenty value resorts, but is this new? In the comments, let me know. Is this old, new? I don't know. Cool. It's like an alarm clock, but love that. Okay. Over here, this is great if you have like a family or if you're with a party with a 5th person, because this is a 5th sleeper. Oh, hey. It's me. But I really love this, and it just kind of looks like a bench, which is nice. So like during the day, if you're talking, hanging out, you have a bench to sit at and a chair, table, whatever. But look at this, the magic. Oh, wow, baba boom. I don't know why I said that, but that's cool. I thought that was cool. And of course, this is really, really cool because you've got Ray and Tiana, Prince Naveen, you got Louis. Look at them. That's adorable. Perfect, especially if you've got like a kid. It'd be so fun to snuggle up with Princess Tiana, and love this. I wish I could fit on this. Honestly, I might try. Who knows? But okay. So right here is a little coffee bar, a little kitchenette. I don't want to say kitchenette because it's really not a kitchenette. It is a mini fridge and some coffee. And let's see, this mini fridge. Oh, that's cute little detail, a key. Standard mini fridge, tiny. Freezer doesn't work. Typical mini fridge. So, you know, nothing too exciting, but still a nice little area to get your little morning coffee ready. I love this. I don't know if you all remember the All-Stars Resort. So at first when we walked in, we got a little scared because we saw this shower curtain, and the old All-Stars sports rooms used to just have, it was a locker room bathroom. And all you would do is close the curtain and you were on like a tiled floor. So anyway, we saw this curtain and we were scared that this was just gonna be an open shower. But to our surprise, there's a very nice bathroom behind there. Anyway, moral of the story, this curtain is really cute, but it did scare us at first. But we should definitely go see what's behind it. First, it's me. But here is the sink area. If you haven't noticed too, it does have a New Orleans Bayou vibe, obviously Alligator Bayou, because you can stay in either the Magnolia Terrace or the Alligator Bayou here. And this kind of has a more bayou theme to it, which I really appreciate and really like. So you get your extra pillow and blanket, an area to hang your clothes, iron your clothes. I really like that. A safe, if you need to keep your items safe. Yeah, that looks great. Some H2O products, of course. There are a couple plugs. I have been looking for plugs. Have not seen too many plugs in here, so just be aware. These also do look a little older, so be aware. Gorgeous bathroom though, right? Love this. Well, it gets better in there because my favorite character, Ray, looking at me, is so cute. But Ray is right here looking for his Evangeline in the bathroom, and I love that. But this bathroom is also very nice. There's a mirror here if you want to say hello to yourself. Get ready in it. Lighting is great in here. Really like this. Bathroom, it's a little tight. You don't get a ton of space, but since this area is so large, I think that's worth it. Looks really nice, really well lit. Let's see what the shower looks like. All right, let's see. Standard shower. Tub is pretty small. I don't think I would fit in that tub. If I did, it might look silly, but that's okay. We do have quintessential, of course. But it doesn't say H2O, it's just like stickers. Oh, okay, don't do that, don't do that. I'm not sure if I'm loving the wood. I know it's like bayou-y. I don't know if I love it or if I hate it. I can't decide. I definitely like it with the shower curtain shut. Here we go. I get the vibe with the shower curtain, I suppose. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. The floors also have this pretty mosaic on it. That's very nice, very cute. That's pretty much it. I thought this was a really neat detail. The air conditioner is like bayou themed. How neat is that? Very on point. But I think that's all for our room tour, guys. That's kind of the whole thing. What do you guys think about Port Orleans? Personally, the resort was very large, kind of confusing to find our room. Cast members were incredible. The resort is gorgeous, but what do you all think? Would you stay here? We paid quite a bit for this moderate resort, but I don't know, we'll see if it's worth it. It's our first night here, so. Let us know in the comments if you want to see more room reviews from us. But look at this immaculate room, wow.